Pakistan meets France with Rasmalai, which is a sweet cheese dessert that's popular in Pakistan.
9.4 out of 10.
Oh wow.
To get started, we're going to make a mild cottage cheese by heating up whole milk and then periodically adding lemon juice until it curdles. After about 30 minutes, we'll pass this through a cheesecloth and squeeze out as much liquid as we can. To remove the lemon taste, rinse this under cold water and also squeeze out as much of the excess water as you can. In the meantime, Chef Romain is going to show us what the cheese will sit in. So we got milk, heavy cream, cardamom pods, and vanilla. In a separate bowl, he's going to add some sugar and whisk in egg yolks. Once everything is whisked, he's going to combine this with the milk in the saucepan and continue to cook it. Once it's done, we pretty much have a simple custard, and we'll pour this into a tray, and in the fridge it goes until we're ready to use it. To make a garnish, let's toast up some almonds, and in a saucepan we can add sugar, water, and saffron. Once it comes up to a boil, add your almonds and mix. Spread this across a baking tray and just let it cool and harden. So it's basically a caramel, saffron, almond brittle.
Nice.
At this point, you can unwrap the cheese and knead it until it's smooth. Make sure it's not super dry and it is a bit moist. Once you get it into a ball, break off little pieces and make small little discs like this. Now you want to lightly simmer this in a simple syrup of water and sugar, covered for about 10 minutes. After that, it should puffen up and you can transfer this to your custard, and in the fridge it goes for about an hour to soak up all that flavor. Now you can plate with all the components together. This dish is quite similar to a French dish called Ille Flottante, which basically translates to floating island. So we call this dish Rasmalai Ile Flottante. Hope you enjoy.